I've got a question for you. Would you like to learn to trade like the pros, grow your wealth for little time and minimal risk? This weekend, I'm going to be hosting an in-person, intimate 3-day one-to-one event where I'm going to be teaching complete beginners how to do this stuff. It's a lot easier than you think. Anybody can do it. If that sounds of interest, first up, join me this Wednesday, the 5th of March at 7 p.m, where I'll be showing complete beginners how to trade the stock, forex and crypto markets. At the end of the video, I'll give you a heads up if you want to join me, what happens next. If you seriously want to upgrade your lifestyle, join my other mentees who are already on this journey. 5-star reviews from these guys right across the board. Information's at the end of the video. I look forward to seeing you online.